part 3 of this 4-part series, we'll look at Webster's method of voting apportionment, which looks a lot like Jefferson's method. So I'll duplicate that sheet. But instead, Webster's method does standard rounding to find that portion. And then we do the same type of recalculation. However, because we're doing standard rounding, we might go up or down this time, whereas back with Jefferson's method, we would always drop our initial divisor down to find a modified divisor. The changes that we'll see will be in this initial portion. Instead of round down, let's make that just the standard round function, and then I'll need to fill that down to the cells below. The recalculation will be the same as we did before. It's just we may not always need that recalculation. Let's take a look here without any modified divisor at all, or just leaving it what I had before. We can see that this remaining reps was actually 0 for this problem. It rounded up some, like it rounded up this first bank and this fourth bank, and instead of chopping those off, and it gave us the right number of representatives. So I don't have to do anything else to change this problem, and it's very similar, we can see in the procedure on our end in terms of just modifying that divisor. I could try this with a different data set and see if it looks different. This one is 11 representatives for these populations. And here again, we got the right number on the first try with that remaining reps of 0 right there. I've tried this a few times and I find that Webster's method pretty consistently doesn't need as much adjustment. So that is nice on that end. In the next video, we'll look at the trickiest method, which uses a geometric mean. We'll find the Huntington Hill method.